Healthy soil equals healthy plants. Know what's beneath your soil before you plant your garden. It's time for this week's Michigan Garden Moment. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com. Soil is the lifeblood of your garden. Without good soil, you're simply not going to have good plants, regardless of how much fertilizer you use. You cannot just look at your soil and say, that's good soil or that's bad soil in your garden. You can have some tell signs of how the plants recently grew in that particular location. But until you get an analyzation done by a soil test, you will not know the exact science behind what is needed or what you may have too much of in your garden. A soil test is very inexpensive. You can purchase them at your local garden center for a relatively decent understanding or range of requirements or what your soil has. For a more scientific-based test, you can go to soilsavvy.com and use coupon code TWVG19 and save 10% at checkout. What the Soil Savvy test provides is a report comprised of soil pH and 14 nutrients, including NPK. It gives you an understanding of what your soil is lacking or have an abundance of, and then you can go about figuring out the best way to change the soil or fix it in order to have a healthy garden. Until you know what's in your soil, you're not going to be able to give the plants what they need in order to thrive in your garden. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.